ahead.
All right, ready? Let's read some words. What's this say?
Hi.
Good job. What's that say?
Nose.
Good job. What's that say?
Arms up.
Good job.
Okay.
What's that say?
Okay.
Elephant? Yeah, what's the elephant say? Good job. What's that say? That's a hard one. No, cheating. What's it say?
Eyes.
Okay, you cheated on that one. What's that say? What's it say? What? Yeah, sound it out. What's it say? We can edit that one out. What's that say?
Turtle.
Turtle. What's that say? Oh, you cheated.
Ball.
Bow. What's that say?
Bee.
No. Hat.
Hat.
Hat. There's a hat.
There's a hat. Sun. Ball.
Ball. Good.
Moon.
Moon. Good. Here's a hard one. What's this?
Boy.
Good girl. Yay.
It's moving.
Say bye.